baby, I'll miss you.
I know. I'll miss it. Hey.
Come back to me.
No problem. Neighbor. Good morning. Are you traveling? Yes, I'm traveling. All right, safe journey.
Neighbor.
How can you say that kind of thing from your mouth and tell somebody? And you are proud.
God will punish you.
Okay, babe. I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you. Drive safe, eh?
All right. Oh! That's good of you. You are shopping the food I'm shopping. You are shopping my wife. You know they fear God.
Baby, I thought you traveled.
I fake my travel because I'm not the both of you. You are having this in common. You are doing collabo in my back. No. You married woman. I fake my travel. I put thunderbolt in your body, which is magnum. Magnum. So any man that climbs you is going to bark like a dog. That's why he's barking like a dog. You back on. I did not what? You said what? I did not what? You did not sleep with my wife. So why are you backing? Huh? Tell me why are you backing? Oh, look at you. This will teach you a lesson. Never in your life to sleep with somebody else's wife. Never in your life sleep with somebody else's wife. What? Go and meet your husband. If not for domestic violence, I will sand you. Next time, you will mind your business and you will never ever in your life sleep with somebody else's wife.
Alọjẹ